everybody doing today? We are going to go on another bear hunt. Excited? We can sing it this time, okay? First, we're going to sing hello, and then we're going to take our big breaths. Kids ready? I'm excited. All right. Hello, boys. Hello, girls. Hello, friends. How are you today? Hi, guys. I hope you're all doing great. Are you ready for our otter pledge? Ready? I am safe. I am loved. I am strong. In otter words, I got this. We've all got this together, right? Okay, let's take our big breaths so we're ready to learn. Ready? I feel good. I am calm and I'm ready to go on a bear hunt. Today, last time, we read the story, The Bear Hunt. Sometimes the bear hunt is lots of fun if we do movement with it. So today, we are going to move around to our story. So I'm just going to say the story, and you guys, I want you to do the movements with me, okay? So when we go through the tall grass, get it out of your face. And when we swim, make sure you swim fast, okay? And then maybe a bear. Oh! All right. You guys ready? Let's get a backpack this time. I got my backpack. I'm gonna put in some water and some cookies. And what else might be? So, how about another water? Zip it up and put it on your back. All right, you ready? Let's go on a bear hunt. Let's go on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not afraid. Oh, look. I see some tall grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Let's walk through it. Swoosh, 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 swoosh. Let's go on a bear hunt. Let's go on a bear hunt. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Oh, look. It's a river. It's a big, windy, wet river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. What do we have to do? We have to swim. Swim! What are you doing? We are swimming! Swim, swim, swim. Let's go on a bear hunt. Let's go on a bear hunt. We're not afraid. We're not afraid. Oh, look. I see mud. Ew! It's mud. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We have to walk through it. Here, walk with your feet. Ew, yuck, ew, yuck, yuck. Oh, wash your feet. Oh, yuck, yuck. All right, let's go on a bear hunt. Let's go on a bear hunt. We're not afraid. We're not afraid. Oh, I see a forest. It's lots and lots of trees. We can't fly over the trees. We can't go under the trees. We're gonna have to walk through them. Ready? Oh, stumble, ooh, whoa, stumble, trip, whoa. That was crazy. All right. Ooh, look over there. Look, I see a cave. You want to go in the cave? Uh-oh, we can't go over it. We can't go under it. Let's go through it. Oh my. I feel something big and furry. It has 2 big ears, 2 eyes, and a nose. What is it? Ah! It's a bear! Run! Go through the woods! Through the forest! Stumble, trip! Whoa! Ew, 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 ew! Run! Swim through the river! Swim, 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 swim! Run! Go through the tall grass! Swish, 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 swish! Run! Here he comes! Ah! Open the door of the house! Oh, close it! Shoo! We made it! Oh my goodness! I was so scared. That bear was coming. My face went like this. And my heart was beating fast. I was so scared. You scared? Or was that just plain silly? It was kind of silly, wasn't it? When we saw the bear, we saw he has ears. Find your ears. I have my ears. We saw his nose. Touch your nose. Here's your nose. And he had 2 eyes. I see his eyes. Do you have eyes? I have 2 eyes. Good thing we didn't see his mouth too much, right? Look, he has a smile. He is happy. He says, Yahoo! Happy, happy! Clap 1, 2! Woohoo! He is happy. He's not scary, right? Some other things we talked about. We could not go over some things, and we could not go under some things. Look. Oh, there is a monkey. Where is the monkey? He's on Bear's head. Now where's the monkey? Hey, Bear, where'd the monkey go? Oh, he's on my head. Hello. Look. Now where's the monkey? The monkey is under the big bear. Oh no, don't sit on me. Now, monkey will go over the bear. Ready? Jump over the bear. Over. Here we go. So those are the things that we learned today in our story. We talked about over and under, through. We were scared. We were happy. You guys can go on a bear hunt again. It's on your choice board. It's a really fun song that's on your choice board. And you can click on it and you can do it over and over and over. It's so fun. All right, guys, have a great day. I will see you on Monday or Friday. Bye.